Hello everyone, my name is Jahani Patel. I study in class 6 and today my topic is parts of flower. Things needed to do this activity. A hibiscus flower and a blade. First we need a hibiscus flower. These are the petals. These are the sepals. This is the pedicle. This is the filament. Yellow particles are anther. This is the stigma and this is the style. There are two more parts of the flower, ovary and ovules. But to see the ovary and ovules, first we have to remove the petals carefully. Now we have to cut the style from the middle. The small ball-like structure are ovules and the outer of the ovules are ovary. And filament and anther are male reproductive parts of the flower called stamen. Stigma, style, ovary and ovules are female reproductive parts of the flower called pistil. What is the science? Hibiscus is a flower with both male and female reproductive parts. Thank you.
My name is Gagnam Patel from class 6. Today my topic is parts of flower. To do this activity, we need a hibiscus flower and a blade. These are called petals. This is style. This is stigma. This yellow part are called anther and this is filament. This is sepal and this is pedicle. There are two more parts on this flower. To see these two more parts, first remove the petals carefully. Then cut the style carefully. This small ball type of structure are ovules and the outer part are called ovary. The filament and anther are male reproductive part of the flower. The stigma, style, ovary and ovule are female reproductive part of this flower. Thank you for listening me.
Hello everyone, myself Mehak Devangan from class 6, Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangarh. Today my topic is observation of parts of flower. For this we take a hibiscus flower and a blade. So let's get started. So that's are the petals, that's are the sepals and this is the pedicle. These small yellow color balls are anther, and this main red color ball is stigma. This is the style. Remove the petals, sepals and style carefully. This is the ovary. Then cut the ovary. These small balls are called ovules. What is the science? The science is hibiscus is a correct flower which has male or female part both. The anther are the male part and the stigma are the female part. So thank you. This is my today's video. Thank you again.
Hello everyone, my name is Yogita Mehti. I study in class 6 from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangar. Today my topic is parts of flower. We need to think first flower and blade. Flower discussion. This is a petal and this is a stem and this is a pedicle and this is the anther and this is the stigma and this is the style. We need two more things, ovules and ovary. First remove, we need see the ovary and ovule. First remove the petals carefully. And cut to middle, style, cut to middle. Tiny ball-like structure, ovules, and inside the ovules are ovary and filament are anther. Main reproductive part of the flower called stamen, stigma, style, ovary and ovules are female reproductive of the flower is called pistil. What is science? Hibiscus is a perfect flower with both male and female reproductive parts. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pratibha Jaswal from class 6. Today my topic is parts of flower. Required materials are hibiscus flower and blade. Hibiscus flower is only flower which has both male and female part of flower. So let's start the activity. This is petals, this is style and this is stigma and these yellow particles are called anther and this is filament and this is pedicles and this is sepal. There are two more parts of flower, ovary and ovules. To see ovary and ovules, we have to remove petals and sepals. And then we have to cut this in the both middle side. This ball-like structures are ovary and this is ovules. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Purvi Patel from class 6 from Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangarh, and today my topic is parts of a flower. So let's get started. This is a hibiscus flower and we are going to see the parts of it. This is called the pedicel. The pedicel is the stalk of a flower. These are called sepals. Sepals may be green or colored like petals. They enclose the flower bud and protect it before it blossoms. These are called petals. Petals are often brightly colored and scented to attract pollinating insects. Now I am going to remove the petals so that we can see the other parts clearly. This is called the style, and these black things are called anther, and these are called stigma. Now to see the two other parts, we have to cut the flower from the middle. I have cut the flower from the middle, and now we can see the ovule and the ovary. The middle part is called the ovary, and these little circles are called ovules. Now what we find through this activity, tiny ball-like structures called ovules can be seen inside the ovary. Anthers can be seen on top of the filaments. These are surrounded by colored petals and green sepals. Thank you.
Myself Aradhya Jaiswal from class 6 from Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangarh. Today my topic is parts of flower. The required materials are a blade and a hibiscus flower. These are petals. These are sepals. These are peticles. This is style. This is filament, and the yellow particles are called anther. This is stigma. There are two more parts of this flower, ovule and ovary. To see ovule and ovary, first we have to remove these petals carefully. And then we have to cut this style. These small ball-like particles are called ovary, and these are called ovule. Thank you for listening me.
Good evening to all of you. Myself Bhavna Singh. I study in class 6 math. Today's topic is to observe the parts of flower. Things we need: a hibiscus flower and a blade. this type. The female reproductive part of the flower, ovule and ovary, is under the flower. Then cut the center of the style carefully. This type. The ovary and ovule is under this. Then cut this to blade